everyone, Nick here with the Best Buy blog. You just heard Jasmine's JC-23, a 3/4 classical guitar. This type of guitar is intended for children to learn on, and it's ideal for them for two reasons. Well, first of all, it's a 3/4 guitar, which means it's 3/4 of the size of a regular instrument. And this means that it's a lot more comfortable to sit with, and the frets are kind of closer to each other, so it's a really more comfortable experience for someone that's still growing. A regular sized guitar might be a bit too big for them. I think if you're shopping for someone that's under 12 years of age, this is a really good choice. But it also depends, on individual growth. So if you get the chance, make sure you try to find this guitar at a store and have the child sit with it and see how it feels when they're in the playing position. Also, it's really good for beginners that are children because, well, they won't be, they won't feel any kind of discomfort in their fingers because the strings are nylon. When you compare them to steel strings, nylon strings are a lot more comfortable and they don't cause any sort of pain or discomfort. Steel strings, you'll find them on acoustic guitars and electric guitars. So those two factors really, they compound and make the learning experience a lot more fun for a child. For the price, you're getting a pretty decently built guitar. You heard it at the beginning of the video. It sounds really good, and that's because of the materials used. First of all, the top, which is a really big part of the sound of the guitar, is made out of spruce, and spruce is the most common wood used in acoustic guitars. So you get a really nice top, and the back and sides. Well, Jasmine picked affordable alternatives to mahogany. But these alternatives sounds really nice. They sound really well too, so you won't be making any sort of compromise there. You still get that warm sounding instrument. So for the price, it's really interesting. I think for beginners, for children, this is an ideal type of instrument. It'll really keep them motivated and practicing and learning. But for adults, I wouldn't recommend this instrument. It's once you finish growing, there's no real reason to go with a smaller sized instrument. You should go with a full guitar and enjoy that added depth of sound and projection and volume. If you want to find a guitar that has a smaller body for comfort, but you should still keep the proper scale length, adult scale length, which is basically the length of the neck, and it affects the distance between each fret. There are acoustic models that exist, such as parlors and 000s, that have a smaller body, offering maybe a more singing, warm type of tone, but still, keep the same scale length, which adults should play on. That being said, for children, this is ideal. And if you're looking for more information on this instrument, please go read my full review on Best Buy's blog. My name is Nick. Thank you so much for watching.